So hello, I have here a Lorch LLPN headstock for the 10mm lathe with a Chase Screwcutting Attachment. So very special headstock, and yeah, I'm going to show the condition and also some functions, how it works. So this is the LLPN, and yeah, first of all, what I want to show is like this whole spindle can move in actual direction. It's also possible to lock it in place when this handle goes up, and then you can use it as in a normal way, so it doesn't move. It is tight. Actually, it is locked in place. So no play and rotating, but when you move the lever, it can move in this direction and rotate at the same time. So yeah, this function is for thread cutting. And so here you have the master threads. This is the set originally also from Lorch, starting on 0.25 millimeters. So this is a metric set. 0.3, 0.4, 0.45, 0.5 and 0.6. And the other important element is the star with the threads. So with the same sizes. Yeah, so so what I told, it's possible to connect it to the Lorch 10mm beds. Yeah, maybe I can give some sizes here. So this is 9, and the total is 57 here. This part 31. So then you have an idea, and also show how this locks in place on the bed of this 10mm lathe. Yeah, so let's see if I can install these parts. So let's take out the drawbar. This is the drawbar for the 10mm collets. This is the same spindle nose as the Lorch LAS or the LLK. So here I can connect the star. Let's put it on, for example, 0.6. That's how it looks. Now we can put the master thread. Let's also take the 0.6. Yeah, this is more easy when it now you have the possibility. More easy when it's connected to the bed, but so it comes with this key to put this in place, or to lock it in place actually. So yeah, now I can activate it. So have a look. There it is. The master thread, the star, and now the actual bearing is up in this position of the lever, and now when I rotate it follows the thread. .6. And yeah, what I understood, this was used in the optical industry for very precise threads. And this handle have 3 positions, so now it's engaged. There's a spring in this slide here with a V groove, and when I put it in this position, it is disengaged, so now it's possible to slide it, and I can bring it to the original place and put it in the 3rd position. I did it the opposite. So first of all, disengaged, put it in this position. Yeah, now I can put the lever up and put it in the axial and use it as a normal lathe. So one more time. Now it's engaged in the thread. Now it's disengaged, I can move it freely. And now in the 3rd position, use it as a normal lathe without the thread cutting attachment. Engage, disengage, engage again, following the thread. Yeah, the maximum thread length is 21mm. Yeah. Let's look at it from all sides. I have I think it's in a fantastic condition, this accessory. And here is another version, very similar, which is called the LLPK precision plane lathe with actually sliding headstock spindle, especially to set high precision lengths, the optical industry. And yeah, my question is, does this headstock also fit on this LLK, and also does it fit on the LAS? This I'm not sure. It should fit on the bed, but yeah, I'm not sure if it fits in all the other directions as well. And I see here is this special part. So maybe when one of the people watching this video knows this, then let me know. I'm curious if they are exchangeable. This headstock, the headstock from the LLPK and the headstock for the LLPN, which is the older model. And yeah, what can I show more? I already showed the star, so this is the finest thread. So these master threads, it looks like they are in an excellent condition. When I'm ready with the video, I will put some ballistol on it and put them in a box so no dirt can go there. .5, so yeah. think I've showed a lot. So I hope somebody is enthusiastic like me about this accessory. And yeah, so comes with the key. It comes with the drawbar for this headstock. Comes with the master threads. It comes with the star thread. I think it's a complete set. And yeah, thank you for watching.